Welcome to your 15-minute suspension workout. Let's get started with our warm-up. Nice inhale here, exhale out, and make sure your straps are mid-length right here. So this is a hip hinge. So we're going to start here, inhale, and then exhale as you rise. Breathing in, and exhale again. Inhale, exhale as you rise. Now this time we're going to add a twist to it. So breathe in, exhale out, inhale here, and we're going to twist with our left and extend. Bring it back together if you inhale, and then open it up again, opposite side. Take it in and bring it out. And remember, if you have bad knees, please bend your knees. Be mindful of your back. If you feel a strain or a pull, rise up. Take your time and we're gonna roll this up. Crossing over, give a nice stretch to our side body here. So facing the anchor, our side body. Hold and release. Inhale here. And as you exhale, we rise and cross. Bring it back down. Inhale. Exhale. We're just opening up that side body, stretching out our shoulders, stretching out our IT band, and then exhale out. Now we're going to switch sides here. Now again, side body facing the anchor. We inhale and exhale. Push those hips down and back. Rise up with that inhale and exhale. Breathing in and breathing out. Take it back to the front. We're facing that anchor again. Cross through here, right above the knee, and have a seat. Opening up those hips, getting those quads activated, getting those hamstrings activated. Hold here, breathing in. And as we exhale, we lift up and uncross and go to the opposite side. Breathing in and having a seat with that exhale. Again, feel this stretch. Feel how it opens you up. And notice if you feel any tightness. Notice and be aware of your body. Inhale, exhale, rise. All right, let's get started with some side to side little skis here. We're here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Breathing in. Gotta get that heart rate up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go again. 10, 9, 8, 7. Keep the straps close to your chest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Hold, hold, hold. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale and exhale. We're going to rise up and we're going to move right into, keep that heart rate going. We're going to go right into your squats. So every exercise today is going to be 2 sets, 12 repetitions. So meaning we are going to do it 2 times through. All right. So when you're ready, make sure your feet are supported. You're going to drop those hips down and we're going for 12. Here we go. Breathing in and then exhaling as you rise. Breathing in and out. Sink those hips down and pull it through. We got 9 more to go. 6 more. Count it down with me. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, Give me one more. And rest. All right, keep it moving. We're gonna move on to the next exercise. So we're gonna come back to these squats here. It is gonna be your chest press. So we're gonna rotate back towards the anchor this time. So 2 options here. You can have your feet flat, your heels down, or if you want a little bit of an extra, you can rise up. But if this is your first time using your suspension trainer, I suggest keeping your heels down, okay? I'm gonna keep my heels down. Here we go. Forward with your gaze, inhale, prepare. Exhale, here we go. For 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, give me one more, and rest. Take a moment to catch your breath. If you need to have some water right now. Nice inhales, nice exhales, and we're gonna go into our forward lunge. All right, so you can hold the straps together with both hands, or you can hold it with one hand. I'm gonna stick with the both hands here. Here we go. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, here we go. And lunges are a great exercise for your low body, but the way you breathe out, you should feel that right in that core. 6 more to go. Count with me. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, one more, and rest. All right, interval time. 10 seconds for that ski. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, we ski. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Catch your breath. You should be feeling that burn. Heart rate's good. Moving on to our chest fly. Chest fly, back towards the anchor. So the chest press, we are pushing down and then pushing away. Now with the fly, it's gonna be the same move, that push, but you're gonna open it up wide. So take a nice inhale, prepare. Exhale, here we go. Open it wide and then close it. We have 12. Always look forward. We got 6 more, count it down. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, give me one more, and rest. Turning it back around. Going back into that low body. So we're gonna go into your reverse lunge. So take your time, catch your breath, be aware of your body, be aware of if you need to take a break, that's fine. Take a break. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, here we go. And remember, you don't have to drop that knee down. If my knee drops down, it's just because I have a little bit more flexibility in my hips right now, but that might not work tomorrow. Every day is a new day. All right, we got 6 more. Count with me. Here we go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, one more, and rest. All right, exercise, and we're going back into our bicep curl. So we're gonna keep facing the anchor here. Now you wanna walk a little bit underneath of it. You can have those knees slightly bent so they have that bounce to it. Now the bicep curls two ways. Core is in, and we curl towards the forehead. Another challenging way is walk as close to your anchor as you can and hold right there. I'm gonna stay right here, and I'm gonna curl it away. Here we go. Count it down with me, 6 more. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. All right. We're gonna do it one more time, everything through. But right now, if you need to, pause it, grab some water, and then meet me back. Otherwise, let's kick it up. So we're going back into our squat. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, release. Here we go for 12. 6 more, let's count. 6, 5, 4, don't hold your breath, keep breathing. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Next exercise, that chest press. So remember, our back is towards the anchor. We are walking back, holding it here, heels down. Inhale, exhale, here we go. All right, count it down with me, last 6. 6. Remember, keep your gaze forward, don't bring that head down. Here's 4. Here's 3. Here's 2. 1 more. And bring it up. All right, you said it. Interval time with that ski. Holding it down, ready? Inhale, exhale, 10 seconds, here we go. 10, this is the last one. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. All right, 3 more exercises to go. Forward lunge. Inhale there. Exhale out. Here we go. All right, give me 6 more. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Going right into your chest fly. Again, take your time. If you need to take a break, please do. Respect yourself and respect your body. So remember that chest fly, we're walking close. This time, let's give it a little boost. Let's bring our heels up. Inhale, prepare, looking forward. Exhale, here we go. For 12. There's 10. All right, we're at 6, so let's count it down. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, give me 1 more. Bring it up. All right, going into that reverse lunge. Take your time, catch your breath. Exhale out. Our body's on fire. We might be sweating, you might not be sweating. That's okay. Exhale, prepare, here we go. Reverse lunge, bringing it back. Remember, push those hips back, but be mindful of your knee. All right, count it down for me, last 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. All right, take a break. Inhale, Exhale. Bicep curls to end it for 12. Last 6 here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. We did it. Let's cool her down. Take your time. Inhale here. Exhale out. Let's go back to our hip hinge stretch that we did in the beginning. So remember, slight bend in the knees, breathing in, and allow yourself to fall forward. Hold it here. Inhale. As we exhale, we're going to twist it open. Bring it back together. Inhale. Exhale, twist opposite side. Bring it back together with your inhale. And then roll that up. Now take your time, side body. Hold here, breathing in. And then exhaling out. Breathing in. And then exhaling out. Switching sides. Crossing over, stretching down, breathing in, and breathing out. Breathing in, and breathing out. Take your time. Last stretch, that crossover. Our chair pose, inhale, exhale, have that seat. And rise. Inhale, exhale, have that seat. And rise. And that is your full body workout. I hope you enjoyed that. Please continue to use this weekly, 2 or 3 times a week, and make sure that you are fueling up before you do this and after. And as always, stay healthy, stay fit, and smile.